Hi all of the cool video, film, movie makers. So as I promised, give you a little bit more cool tips for can use it. So today I'll tell you how to extend your beard really quick. So it's how I look like right now. So we done the scene, one action scene, and next scene it should be like after a couple of months. It means my beard should be a little bit bigger. So the cheapest way, we will use the women's stuff, mascara. So I don't know, the cheapest stuff I bought like $3 or something, and that's it. We do all of the same thing like the women do for the eyebrows and eyelashes and so on. So basically the best way, put the artificial beard from real hair, what will cost bloody a lot. Well, without mirror it's a little bit complicated, but we'll figure out. And if you need a man with a big beard and so on, you can even draw it, but it will be looks alright if it's some wide shot and people really far away, but on a close-up I don't think so. Same like Indian style, they like to make beard looks really solid, but if you don't have much hair, they just put some spray color, that's it. But on a close-up, well, this will look terrible. But with mascara, even if you do the close-up, it will be looks cool. Yeah, you can color it and you can extend it, whatever. Hopefully looks alright. And it will take like damn quick. Literally, I don't know how many. 5 minutes, I hope so. Okay, I'll try to do it really quick, it's just a demonstration. So basically on a set we will do another one with a brown color. This one's black, but still, should be fine. So now it's a bit longer already and looks more solid too. Okay, so that is just a demonstration, so we will not put it too much. And yeah, any makeup artist will make it way better. Okay, so now you can see the difference before and now, and yeah, if you spend a little bit more time you can make it even longer, and it's make like kind of look it's more solid than before. That's it. So thank you for watching, more tips will come later on, so stay tuned.